welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe and start your daily yoga practice today. This is a 10-minute standing full body stretch designed for beginners, but all levels are welcome to enjoy. If you do enjoy, do let me know with a like, a comment, a subscribe, a share, all the stuff. Let's start out standing. Just start at the top of your mat. Roll the shoulders back and down. Stand evenly between both feet. Lengthen the tailbone down. Shift your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Arrive. On an inhale, reach your arms wide and overhead. Bring the palms to touch. Lift up, look up. Exhale, soft knees, forward fold over the legs. Press to stand. Palms together. Reset. Inhale, lift up. Palms touch. Reach up. Breathe in a little extra at the top. Long exhale, forward fold. Find a little more space in the entire back body. No rush though. Press to stand. Inhale, reach up. Hold on to the left wrist and pull up. Move the hips to the left side body reach. And lift. Hold the right wrist with the left hand and lift and lengthen. Pull with the left hand. And come back to center. Bring the palms to touch. Inhale, look up, lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees. Place your hands a little bit in front of you for balance. Lift onto your toes. Lower your hips onto the heels. Lower the heels. Try to straighten the legs. It might not happen. That's okay. Let's do that again. Squat down, feet together. They might be a little bit hip width distance. And press the legs straight. Once more. If it helps, you might lengthen out the spine, fingertips or props. Sit down, look forward. And press forward, fold, long exhale. Soften the knees and round up to standing. Palms touch at heart center. Create good posture. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Separate your feet, arms side to side. Your feet are just about underneath each wrist. Hands to hips, forward fold. The feet are facing forward. Try to keep them flat. You might need to be on a block. And if the floor feels really far away, widen the stance. It's a little counterintuitive. And focus on the breath. relax the muscles of your face, relax any thoughts, smooth out the breath. Halfway lift, press into the hands, and we're going to bend the left knee, keep both feet flat. We're stretching the right inner thigh, the outside of the right ankle. Keep the breath smooth. And switch sides. Walk through center, bend the right knee, keep both feet flat. And back to center. Halfway lift, lengthen the spine, leave the right hand down and twist open to the left. Press the outsides of the feet down. Try to keep the hips level and keep your whole arm in view as you press down and to the right with your right hand. Switch, left hand down. The right arm reaches open, fingers spread wide. Press the feet down again and then again every time you forget about it. Right hand back down. Hands to hips, lift up. Step to the top of your mat. Bring the feet together. Bend the knees, sit back, Utkatasana, awkward pose. Lift and spread the toes, make sure you can see them. Hands, arms are shoulder width apart, palms face each other. Can you reach the fingertips that much more away from the tailbone as you draw in the core and sit a little bit lower? Palms touch, stand up, contain extra movements. Know that that's making you mentally stronger, what you just did. Tree pose. Stand on both feet to start. Balance on the left, and we're going to pick up the right. Use the right glute to open the knee to the side, and the foot can go anywhere but the knee. So you can kickstand, you can half lotus, you can put your foot on the calf. Pick a place. Bring the palms to touch, and try not to arch the lower back. Squeeze the right leg open. Whoa, balance. By the way, balance is different every day. Look at something not moving, like not me. And pretend you're standing on 2 feet. We're here just a little bit longer. Set the right foot down. Feel the left ankle releasing because the right foot is helping. Balance on the right foot and pick up the left. Repeat whatever you did on the first side here. Trying not to arch the lower back. Smooth out the breath. Okay, balance is bad today. See, that's normal. I'm real. Comment I'm real down below, please. If you heard me, relax your expression. Open up the leg, squeeze the left hip. Return to both feet. Bring your feet together. Stand up tall, closing breath. Inhale, reach the arms wide, up, overhead. Inhale, look up, lift up. And exhale, lower your hands down. Thank you for joining me. Thank yourself for your practice. If you enjoyed this, be sure to let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Ooh, that feels good. Both sides. You should probably comment, like, subscribe, and share if you're still watching.